lifestyle is already a thriving, highly urbanized city that comes second to Manila's bustling metropolis.
After Manila, of course, Cebu is the second, the biggest metropolitan center in the country. Pero maganda sa Cebu, malapit lang if you want to go to Bohol, to Dumaguete.
Cebu, I guess, is pretty much like being in Metro Manila, but you still get that provincial feel because it's still small, so you have the small town feel where people know each other and people are parang friendlier. And then, of course, because it's like a resort town, it's a bit more casual. And yung maganda sa Cebu, parang 10 minutes away, parang nandun na yung beach, diba?
3 beaches in the north, mga 3 beaches pa in the south na sobrang ganda. So, Malapascua is near, Pantayan. Tapos sa baba, there's a Milon beaches and marami pang beaches.
The progressive infrastructure of airports and hotels is also there.
In the AIM study, under the linkages and accessibility indicators, Cebu topped the list among all the metro cities, perhaps due to the availability of raw materials in the area and the ease of international and domestic entry.
Pagdating sa economy, ang Cebu ang probinsya na highest growth rate, no? Tapos pagdating naman sa tourism, Cebu ang highest visitor arrival, no? Ang sinatap nga namang Cebuano ngayon, mga Russians, no?
A lot of hotels are being built there up to now. Parang every year may bagong hotel. Tourism is really growing there. And you get tourists not just from other countries, but from within the Philippines. They love to visit Cebu. I love to visit Cebu.
Well, panelistas, any pahabol? What other factors contribute to make Cebu the best place in the Philippines to live?
You wouldn't miss Manila if you're in Cebu.
Maraming income possibilities for the people. In a way, mahahawa ka sa sipag ng mga Cebuano. Lagi nag-iisip ang Cebuano ng negosyo eh. I guess Cebu has everything. It has the best of both worlds, no? Madaming livelihood at saka business opportunities, madami ring leisure opportunities, no? So kung magpapalaki ka ng pamilya, at least hindi lang bowling ang alam nila, no?